2004 Honda CRV. We're cleaning it up so the bumper is off. The way it's all laid out, you obviously have your radiator right there is where you can fill your antifreeze. There's the recovery jug. If you want to know if your antifreeze is low, you can just kind of check, and you can kind of see where the fluid is there. This is where the battery is, so you always want to check that on a courtesy check. Brake fluid can be found here. You just really check that for color and sediment. Looks pretty good. Now if this was a manual, there would be a clutch master cylinder here. The transmission fluid stick is sometimes hard to find, but typically it's on the right side. You can see it just right there. Reach down, pull it. It's a little yellow ring right there. And you just push it down until you can feel it seat itself as it did. Obviously engine oil, dipstick here to tell the level. This here is the power steering reservoir. You can easily tell if you have enough fluid in there. And then you can also inspect your drive belts, which are typically on the left side with the CRV. You have your air filter right here, and that's really just a basic once over of how to just check your car's overall health.